Hey there, traders! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting lined up, an update to our spike detector indicator for boom and crash pairs. We're doing a full, live demonstration, so you can see the spike detector in action, forecasting potential spikes with remarkable precision, even before they happen. This update improves accuracy and helps you catch spikes you'd normally miss. If you're serious about growing your account and sharpening your entries, you'll want to watch this one all the way through. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with other traders looking to level up their strategy. Let's dive in.
Yo, listen, no more candles faking me out. This the tool that flips the game. Spike detector locked in, target acquired. You wanna win? Step in the zone. I used to stare at charts like a crystal ball. Wicks lied, trends died, I took every fall. My broker smirking like better luck next week. But now I got the spike truth, yeah, my entries speak. No more guessing, no more pain. Every candle's whispering my name. This is the best indicator, believe the buzz. It calls the spike before it ever does. With precision it screams buy, sell, flip now. Even market makers saying, yo, but how? Cause this tool's tap into meta timing grace, like it hacked the code of this boom crash race. Spike detector on the dashboard, market shook. Get your copy now, rewrite your trading book. Support breaker resistance, please. I'm catching spikes like I got Wall Street's keys. No more maybe, I trade with might. Spike detector's got that third eyesight. Outsmart your broker, don't let him play you. Now I'm the one who moves the market, they obey you. Auto alerts when it smells a setup brewing while you sleep. It's candle chewing, trend undoing. No lag, no bluff, just cold sharp detection. It sees the reversal like psychic projection. Custom alerts, got them in style. Works on MetaTrader, been ahead for a while. Low risk setup, sniper entry zones. Dashboard clarity, I'm charting in tones. Money flowing like crash 1000's tide. I'm riding each spike like a turbo glide. You need this weapon in your meta armory, cause late trades now, just history. Ever felt betrayed by your own position? This tool rewrites your whole trading mission. No more second guessing, no more praying. When the spike hits, it's you who's saying, this is the best indicator for catching spikes. Put your broker on mute, he's done playing psychs. Get your copy now, unlock the vault. Leave the market gasping, it's your default. Watch them wicks collapse on cue. Spike detector knew what price would do. No more stress, no more fake out traps. This tool's the GOAT, run the boom, crush the crash.
Of red after red, now I chart with ease, profits instead. My screen glows with sniper delight. Spike detector turn my dark into light. Watch them wicks collapse on cue. Spike detector knew what price would do. No more stress, no more fake out traps. Let's go, run the boom, crush the crash. I remember the pain of red after red. Now I chart with ease, profits instead. My screen glows with sniper delight. Spike detector turn my dark